Dear physiotherapist, schedule your priorities. In the fast paced world of physiotherapy, prioritizing your time is essential for both personal well being and patient care. Scheduling time for your top priorities can transform a chaotic workday into a productive one. Why schedule? To prevent burnout. Effective time management reduces stress and helps avoid the burnout that many therapists face due to overwhelming workloads. Enhance patient care. By allocating specific times for patient appointments, documentation, and professional development, you ensure each task receives the attention it deserves, leading to better outcomes for your clients. Boost morale. When you manage your time well, it not only improves your efficiency but also contributes to a positive work environment for your team. So let's start scheduling activities that matches your top 3 priorities into next week's calendar.